Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Samsung keyboard is set as your default input under General Management and that you have the language pack or internet access for suggestions. Next, open any app where you can type so the keyboard appears. This is where you will enable features. Once the keyboard is visible, tap the gear icon or long press the comma key to access keyboard settings. This is the first actionable step to reach predictive text controls. You now go into Smart Typing and flip Predictive Text on. That single toggle activates suggestion bars and word completions. Once enabled, make sure to add frequent words to your personal dictionary and allow personalized suggestions if you want learning tied to your typing. Also, configure languages so suggestions match the active keyboard, otherwise you'll get irrelevant words. After making these choices, try typing a few common phrases. To let them finish by testing, type several words and check the suggestion bar appears and offers completions. If suggestions are missing, toggle Predictive Text off and on again. This reset often resolves hiccups. If problems persist, clear keyboard data in app settings or install pending system updates, because outdated components can break predictive behavior. One quick troubleshooting tip. Switch to another keyboard briefly and switch back to Samsung keyboard to force a reload. Make sure to restart your device if none of these steps restore predictive text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.